Okay.
In cause number 2019 DCV 4842, Maria del Carmen Lopez versus David Antonio Burciaga Monroy et al. Announcement of council, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tomas Porras Acosta, covering for Attorney James Fiel on behalf of plaintiff Maria Carmen Lopez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Hirsch on behalf of defendants.
Okay, this is set for an entry of judgment hearing. I've been told that you all notified the court the case has been settled, so we need to get a judgment entered. Have you all circulated a judgment?
Your Honor, I'm sorry, go ahead, Mr.
So, Your Honor, we went through mediation. We hashed out the terms. We're just putting it in paper. Now there's a little hiccup with respect to some payment plans. And we were just gonna go ahead and request the court if we could have an extension to go ahead and clear out that payment plan schedule so that there's no litigation later down the road.
Okay, can you get that done in, say, a week?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Okay,
Judge, I'm not that confident in my ability with Excel.
okay, how about 2 weeks? Does that raise your level of confidence?
I think that's doable, Judge.
Okay, we'll just reset this for 2 weeks down the road.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. So reset for 2 weeks.
May we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, you all are excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay, what's the next one we got ready?
The second one, Judge, in cause number 2022 DCV 2973, Sun Country Medical Equipment Inc. versus Adria Gonzalez Hadar. Announcement of council, please.
Hi, good morning, Your Honor. The Ricardo Viadet here on behalf of the plaintiff, Sun Country Medical Equipment.
Somebody here on behalf of the defendant?
So, Your Honor, I don't believe defendant has answered yet, but it was actually unnecessary. We're not going to be taking a default because we have two related cases that we settled in principle. Well, not in principle. We actually have an agreement in place. There's only one issue that came up. It's a practicality. The defendant was supposed to deliver some Persian rugs. There's actually an application to turn over possession that's been filed in the probate court that's pending. That it'll be heard on the 22nd. I heard from the defendant's attorney this morning saying that they've got the rug or one of the rugs, one of three. And so I think we're working towards getting that resolved. There was a bunch of terms in the settlement agreement. That was just the last one. And so I was just going to request this to have maybe a couple weeks or 2 or 3 weeks to wrap up those loose ends, and we can submit an order of dismissal to the court.
All right, well, we'll give you 2 weeks. If you need more time, you can ask Judge Perez, but let's try and get it done in 2 weeks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So that'll be reset.